We'll pick out, hey, someone ate half our cookie. Someone ate part of our cookie.
I'll take it.
Well, you can have the rest of it. Let's pick out 3 cookies and put them right here for Santa. Put them this way. That's one.
Eat
Well, no, we're not going to eat it. These are for Santa Claus. So 3 cookies. That's one. You're going to eat this one. Pick
Eat this one.
Well, why don't we pick out the cookies first? Pick another one. 2. One more. That one. Good choice. Good choice. Okay, now you know what we have to do? Here, read this. You have to pour milk.
I'll eat it.
I see. Is it good?
Yeah.
Santa will like to drink milk out of this cup.
No.
Mm-hmm.
It's Mrs. Claus. I don't like milk. We'll give Santa the good milk. Okay. Are you ready to pour it?
Yeah.
Hey, you help me? You want to hold the mug or you? Okay, you hold the mug like this. Perfect. No. Put it down. Okay, now we have to go put it in the other room and leave it out for Santa. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, now go for a second. Santa's. Okay, why don't you leave your cookie and your pretzel and we'll come right back for them. You carry the milk. Both hands. Be very good job. Ready? And Mommy will take the cookies. Don't spill it, okay? Mimi. Stay. Oh, you're sloshing an awful lot.
Come here. Come here.
Here.
Mimi.
Where should we put it? Should we put it on the table? Right here.
Here.
Right. That's okay. I'll clean it up. Right here, right next to the cookies. Okay. There we go. No, we forgot. We forgot to put a carrot out for the reindeer. Do you want to go get some carrots for the reindeer? Well, you want to take the plate? Okay. Okay. Come on.
Reindeer.
Yes, the reindeer. We have to feed the reindeer.
No,
No, it's okay. You can leave the milk. You can leave the milk. We're going to come right back. We're just going to put a carrot on the plate. Good job. Which way are you going? Good job.
I see you.
You see him? Come on. Mimi? Okay, you stand right there. Now we will get the carrot. Oh, there's even one. Big carrot.
Hold the plate. No.
No,
You
don't eat
that
Santa's
one.
cookies. Okay, there's a carrot. Mommy will carry the carrot. How about that? And we'll put it on the plate when we get it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Watch where you're going.
Stay.
Come on. Can you put it on the table right next to the milk?
Yeah.
Good job. Here's the carrot. Do you want to put it on the plate?
Yeah.
It's a big carrot. Is it huge?
It's
It's huge. Okay. Do you think Santa will find it?
Yeah.
Okay. We have one thing left to do. Do you know what it is? We have to go outside and put the reindeer food out so the reindeer will find our house. So we're going to turn off the camera. Let's get on our coat.